No, your eyes aren't deceiving you. ArieForce One is testing. It is finally testing. What's up, guys? Dr. Coaster here on behalf of the Georgia Coaster Connection, and welcome back to another ArieForce One construction update. Before we get started, I just want everyone to know that all photos and footage included in any of these construction updates are free to use with credit. I'd also like to give a huge shout out to my Georgia Coaster Connection partners Chris and Christopher. I'll link their social media pages down below at Impractically Christopher and Throatwork. We tackled this day together, and without all of them there, we wouldn't have gotten the angles that we got. So I just had to give a huge, massive thank you to both of them. I mean, look how freezing cold we were, and we all stood out there and did it together. Now, I know you probably don't want to hear me blab much, so I'm going to jump right into the footage here in a little bit and not talk the rest of the video. However, if you are interested in attending the Georgia Coaster Connection meetup tomorrow and potentially have the shot to see ArieForce One testing for yourself, be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video for details on that meetup. So just to set the stage for the testing footage just a little bit, some friends and I have been passing by ArieForce One and Fun Spot Atlanta every day this week, trying to get an idea of when we might see this thing test. We're starting to put the pieces together as the trains went on the transfer track last weekend, and throughout the week we gradually saw them start to move and eventually sit in the station, which led us to this morning. This morning the three of us arrived to the park, and there was water dummies sitting in the train in the station. There's only one thing that meant. So we got in our places, scoped out the angles we wanted to film from, and we parked ourselves there for hours. It was a chilly day in Georgia and we were really starting to get sick of it, but as soon as that thing started running, everything was worth it. Never have any of us run faster in our lives to get to other angles to be able to film this ride. With all that said, I'd like to thank Fun Spot and RMC, management especially, for being so welcoming to us running around the park filming like maniacs today. This coaster is absolutely world class and it's been a pleasure to show it off over the last 10 to 12 months. With all that said, I'll stop my blabbering and start to roll the footage that we got of ArieForce One from as many angles as we could possibly get. Enjoy.